Welcome to qnawire.
To determine if small classes improve test scores to find the estimated gain from being a small class, we can analyze the regression results. So given that the test score is equal to 1,000 plus a small class, we are given that r squared is equal to 0.03, and the standard error of the regression is 81.3. That's the standard deviation of the residuals. So the first step would be to interpret r squared. An r-squared value of 0.03 represents the proportion of the variation in test scores that can be explained by the variable small class. It indicates that only 3% of the variation in test scores is explained by being in a small class. The regression coefficient for a small class is 1, which means that being in a small class is associated with being an increase in 1 point in a test score. So the estimated gain from being in a small class is 1 point. The t-statistic is calculated as the estimated coefficient for a small class, which is 1, over the standard error of the coefficient, which is 81.3. And that is 0.0123. So the two places would be 0.01. And the p-value you can use a t-distribution or use a p-value calculator. This is going to be a two-tailed, so a t-score of 0.01 with the degrees of freedom well, the degrees of freedom here would be 14 and at the 0.05 significance, it's about 0.9922, or to 4 decimal places, 0.9922. Which is greater than 0.05, so we would definitely fail to reject the null hypothesis.